Tired of AI tools that write like robots? Lexi AI is an AI content writer by Writecream AI that creates SEO-optimized, 100% humanized content in just a second. Whether you are a blogger, marketer, copywriter, or student, this tool can help you write high-quality content without sounding robotic. Let me show you how easy it is to use Lexi AI. Open Writecream AI, click Lexi tool from dashboard. Now, just type your topic here. Let's say how to grow on Instagram in 2025. Lexi instantly gives you a complete SEO-friendly blog post with catchy headlines, keyword-rich content, and zero fluff. Scroll and highlight the structure intro, points, and conclusion. And guess what? You can regenerate content, customize tone, and even edit right inside the tool. Here's why Lexi AI stands out from the crowd. Writes like a human, no generic or robotic phrases. SEO optimized output, great for ranking on Google, multiple tones and languages, write globally, instant result, no waiting or endless tweaking. It's like having a full-time content writer without the cost. So if you are a blogger, YouTuber, content marketer, social media manager, small business owner, or anyone who needs content fast, Lexi AI is for you. Want to try it out? The best part, it's completely free to get started. Just click the link in the description and give Lexi AI a test run. Stop wasting time on boring draft. Let Writecream Lexi AI do the writing magic for you. Hit like, drop your topic suggestion below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered hacks.